Yes. I know. These are slow elevators. Yeah. Is it? Oh, it's this one. I'm doing my cab view.
Oh shoot, this thing wants to close up.
It does. 22.
I'll wait for you on.
Oh, you really got to go to G?
What?
Yeah, people are gonna get on, but that's fine. I'll film.
Shoot, I forgot about that.
I'll film around people. They can't give me any issues.
Totally forgot about that. You don't have? Yeah.
Yes. Hi. What floor are you going to?
11.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you getting off?
Yeah, you can go on ahead.
No, I mean, if you go downstairs, I mean, that's fine, sir. I didn't know if people were getting off or not.
Oh, okay. I'm going to 12.
Okay, well, you need to press it.
Yeah.
You'll be supposed to press 4.
Sure.
Yeah, I didn't know, I mean, since you were still on the phone, so I wasn't sure whether you wanted to get off or we just...
Oh, okay.
Como enviamos de regreso.
Okay, I'm going to get off here.
Yeah, I made room for you, no worries.
Okay.
I'm pretty aware of that. We just, here we are, sir.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.